Assalamu alaikum guys. So in this video we are gonna have a look at stack and position widgets in Flutter. So as you guys know about the stack widget, it is basically used to align several children one above the other. Okay, so in this example I have three containers having height 200, 130 and 100 respectively assigned to the row with main axis alignment dot center. So let's replace the row with the stack. So before that we need to comment this code and replace the row with the stack and use a very important parameter, that is alignment, and which takes alignment directional and let's say center, and just reload the app. And as you can see, the second container having height 130 with 130 is aligned above the first one, and the third container above the second one. So let's remove this expanded, and let's say I want this container, the third container, to, and I need to place this third one to the bottom right. So I will wrap this with a position widget. Position is a very important widget and it's used only in the stack widget to align the children to respective sizes. So let's add position, and I need this widget to be placed in the bottom right section. So I can say I can assign the bottom to 0, reload, and you can see it is assigned. And I can assign right to the 0. So as you guys see, it has now assigned to the bottom right section. Okay, let's make it a bit complex. What if I need the same container to to be placed outside the boundary of the first one? Note, you can assign minus sign. You can assign minus to the position parameters. Let's say I need this, let's say 15. As you guys can see, when I assign right minus 15, the third container is now outside of the boundary of first container, but it is clipped. So here comes another property of a stack which I can assign overflow. Let's say overflow dot visible. Let's reload the app, and you can see that it is now visible. By default, the overflow property of a stack is clipped, and when you assign several children to it, it would take the height, it would take the height of the respective widget. It would take the max height and max width of the respected widget, and you need to change it if it's going outside the boundary of the particular widget. So you need to change this overflow property, overflow dot visible, to fix that issue. Okay, so that's all from this video guys. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and for more amazing content please hit that like button, and let me know if you guys need any example of this. So thank you so much for watching this video.